Thank you for joining us today on another installment of Frost & Sullivan's exciting podcast series, highlighting key disruptive technologies, economic trends, new business models, industry convergence, emerging geographies, and much more. I'm Khushbu Jain, industry analyst with the Lifesciences research team, and today I will be talking about 2019 outlook for the life sciences industry. Well, the first question that needs to be answered is, why now? Why 2019? It is true that it takes decades for complete transition and a trend to set in, for it to become the norm. But the foundational elements that signal the shift are taking shape today. We are more cognizant of the rapidly declining return on R&D and growing complexity with precision medicine catering to selected and smaller population groups. We are more cognizant of the fact that healthcare is shifting from treatment to wellness, and patients are increasingly becoming the pivotal decision makers. We, within the industry, are experiencing this tectonic shift with the entrance of technology companies in healthcare, and they're completely changing the way we function today. Collectively, these trends create a mandate for life sciences companies to become more efficient, nimble, and patient-centric in 2019. But acknowledging these challenges is not enough. We need to ask the next logical question: what next, and how do we stay ahead of the curve? The first reality is that the companies will have to embrace digital-first mindset and change everything from the way R&D is conducted to how clinical trials are designed, to how new products are commercialized. Companies will have to wholeheartedly embrace artificial intelligence, multi-omics, and real-world data at every single step to extract the full potential of digital revolution. Secondly, companies will have to recalibrate their M&A strategy, especially on two fronts. A, focus on building the depth of the portfolio, and B, embracing new types of partnerships and collaborations. But for this, life sciences companies will have to increasingly foster and support the Startup 2.0 ecosystem and forge unconventional partnerships with these very promising startups. But most importantly, it is the incorporation of the patient voice throughout the life cycle of therapy development which will propel growth in 2019. Against the backdrop of these imperatives, we dive deeper into more specific and immediately realizable growth opportunities in our 2019 outlook for the life sciences industry. We discuss specifics of virtual clinical trials and how it is challenging traditional vendors. We identify opportunity in single-use technology and its ability to enable decentralization of cell and gene therapy manufacturing. We dive deeper into growth of direct-to-consumer genetic testing market, liquid biopsy, and IVF, particularly in the APAC region. There are several intrinsic and extrinsic challenges that are altering conventional ways of doing a business. But the good news is there are just as many opportunities. The key for the life science industry is to make use of ongoing breakthroughs in the fundamental science behind diagnosis and cure, leveraging innovation from our cohorts and keeping an eye out for opportunities that surface. Even incremental changes in 2019 can pave way for monumental shifts in the future. On that positive note, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Please join us for future podcasts by emailing us at digital@frost.com. Thank you for your time.